Stop wasting time with fertilizers. This secret might change everything. Hey, friends. Have you ever felt like your plant just isn't getting better? No matter how much fertilizer you give it. Maybe it's not about nutrients at all. Maybe your plant is stressed. Let me show you how to fix that with something super simple. Just one pill. This is a B-complex vitamin pill. Crush it up. Mix it in a liter of water. B-complex helps reduce stress in plants and encourage strong new growth. It's especially helpful after repotting, pruning, or when your plant is recovering from damage. Stir well. Just one B-complex tablet in 1 liter of water is enough. Vitamin B helps in the right dosage. Reduce plant stress. Root works better. Leafing and new growth will be faster. But high dose. It may disrupt the soil environment or interfere with the absorption of other substances. And pour it at the base of your plant. That's it. This little trick can make a huge difference. Attract. Drink your life. Your plant will definitely tell you. Your care means the world to me. I thrive because of you. At the end of the video, I will introduce you to some examples of plants that experience the most stress. And if you want to know the cause of their stress, ask me in the comments. If this helped you, give it a like. Share it with your plant-loving friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Until the next tutorial, take care of yourself and your plants.